Hello everyone, welcome to the Good Cooking Ideas channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make the Chinese traditional food, the stuffed bun, so-called Baozi. If you have been to China, you can simply find it anywhere in the street or for breakfast. There are tons of variety ways to make different Baozi. Today's recipe follows Shanghai cuisine recipe with vegetable fillings. Now let's make a dough first. Take 3 cups of all-purpose flour, half tablespoon of salt, stir it well, 1½ cup of water, add a teaspoon of sugar to activate the dry yeast, sit for a while, then stir it to let the yeast dissolve, adding the mixture to the dry flour bit by bit while stirring. You may need to adjust the amount of water based on your flour's condition and the local temperature. Knead the dough by hand about 2 minutes. It really depends on your personal preference. The firm dough supports Baozi better. The softer dough feels fluffy. Cover the dough, let it rest about 20 minutes. You will find the dough becomes much softer than before. Knead the dough for 5 minutes to increase gluten. Cover the lids again and let the dough raise up to double size. This is the first fermentation. Let's prepare the fillings while waiting. The ingredients are listed on the screen. Add a teaspoon of oil into the water. Cook both try in the boiling water about 1 minute. Then take it out. Set it aside to cool down. Chop the shiitake mushrooms into small chunks. Then chop the black fungus. It has been soaked in water overnight. Add a half corona oil to the hot pan, a tablespoon of ginger paste, add shiitake mushrooms, and the chopped fungus. Mix well. Add a pinch of salt. Stir fry it until all the ingredients bring up strong fragrance. Slice the bok choy at the stalk, then chop. Squeeze the excess water. Add a teaspoon of sugar, a teaspoon of white pepper powder, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons of sesame oil, 1½ tablespoon of canola oil. Add 1½ teaspoon of salt right before folding buns. Now let's make wrappers. Dust the dough. Stick your finger into the dough. The hole stays there with no shrinking means fermentation done. There are so many air pockets inside the dough. Slightly knead the dough 1 minute. Remove the big air pockets. Now we divided the dough into 16 small pieces. Knead a small dough again and make a smooth face, then round it. I'm showing you the different ways to round the dough on your hands or on the board. Cover the small doughs with a wet towel. I'm running out of steam sheets today, so I'm going to show you a little tricks to make it at home. Take a piece of parchment sheet. Cut it into your steamer size. Fold it up twice into a quarter, then punch holes on it. See, pretty easy and it fits perfect. Now make the wrappers. Always turn the smooth surface down. Roll from the edge towards the center with your rolling pin. You will get the wrapper a little bit thicker in center, which will be the bottom of the bun. Let's make baozi. Put the fillings, press a little bit. Put your thumb inside and index finger outside by punching, stretching, and twisting. Give the bun 18 to 24 folds evenly. Close the opening on the top, then it's done. When you are ready, put the buns onto the steamer for the second fermentation. It will take about 40 minutes. Let's steam the baozi. Place the steamer above the cold water, turn on a high heat to bring the water to boil, then turn to the medium heat. Steam 10 minutes. Let it sit at least 3 minutes before you lift the lid. Now it's time to check on our baozi, the stuffed bun. No doubt it is success. Look at this. Our steamer is full of fluffy, hot stuffed bun, baozi. Very soft, fluffy, and pretty. Let me cut one to show you inside. The buns are very popular in China and can be breakfast or main dish. Double fermentation makes the dough texture more uniform and delicate. If you like this video or like baozi or you like myself, please give me a like and subscribe my channel and turn on the notification button. It will be a great appreciate if you can share my video and my channel to your friends. Thanks for watching. I will see you next time.